made these earrings and bracelet set to coordinate with this dress. So this dress has this horse and this huge yellow flower and polka dots, and it also has some other design elements, like you can see the fluorescent yellow flowers with the green leaves, the blue flowers. So what I did was I picked design elements from this dress and incorporated them in the bracelet and the earring. So here I'm going to show you side by side how they coordinate. So this the bracelet. So you can see the horse and the big yellow flower and the polka dots, and that is one of the smaller pink flowers I picked from this design. And then these are the cream flowers with red center, and the magenta cross that I made, the stripe, it goes very well with the magenta stripe present in the dress. So I think that particularly perfectly complements the design and makes it coordinate very well with the dress. And then I added some pearl danglers to give it a more feminine kind of look. So that's the bracelet. I also incorporated few crystals to give them some bling, and then glazed it with UV resin to give it a shine and also make it more durable. And same with the earrings. I also made the earrings the same elements, the horse and the flowers and the polka dot, the magenta stripe, and then added the crystals and glazed them with the UV resin to make it harder and more durable. So it has always been my dream to make jewelry that goes very well with a particular dress, and it just complements the way it complements it so well that you cannot find it anywhere else in the market. So the only way to have an accessory that goes 100% with the dress is to actually create it, and it's one of a kind, because you are never going to find another one in the entire world. And it's really pretty satisfying when you wear an accessory that matches so well with the dress, and I think it enhances the look of the dress like nothing else. Yep, that's it.